to find market's direction the easiest and quickest way, and also important high and lows. Alright, in here in this case we have a CL chart with settings of Unirenko at 642, and also we have only one indicator, that's the 1007 price action channel middle line with settings of outside size 29, inside size 0, which is for the bands, can be changed, vertical shift 0, which can be changed to plus or minus numbers. And we have a box checked at the draw middle line and paint middle line box checked. Alright, now that's all we needed for this style of trading. So if market makes steps up, that's a long. If start making steps down, that's a short. Alright, this blue rectangle, it's from the last step or last flat zone to the top of the bar that closed. So here is this green bar that closed and pulled also this line with itself. However, they'll do sometimes, just like in this case, they brought this line down, made a step down. The bar is closed there but never reached the bottom. However, this bar, this green bar that closed up, made a tick down and brought that line down. But if there's shows like this, market shows steps up and down, that can be easily fixed, just a little bit bigger number. Maybe in this case, could instead of 29, could be 30, 31, 32, or if the trader has different style of trading, it can allow market to move a little bit more up and down without making these steps. That depends on the amount of funds and style of trading. Alright, so for now we'll just use this this rectangle, and we'll go. So in this case, market made up over here, and we have this rectangle. As I said, this bar made a tick up, brought the line up, which made step higher, but still didn't break this high. But however, it said, hey, we're going higher, watch out. Looking back left, the closest high would be this, so that would be nice to break out for the long. That will be real confirmation. Okay, so once market made a step over here, we'll take this one and look for our most important low, which would be here, maybe a tick under. So, and wait for the market to pull maybe the best buy, the best amount of ticks that we can lose or in the trade would be somewhere around here. If the market pulls down, maybe 85 to 95%, and then only have a few ticks for if the trader is using stop. But that again depends on the trader's style of trading. Alright, in this case, market never pulled down. So once made that high step, we'll move our rectangle up there. We know where our bottom is. Our low would be here. Could be bottom middle line, but for a better trade, maybe somewhere down here. And say we're waiting for some nice pullback before we'll go long. Never happened. Markets moved up again. We move our rectangle. Never happened. Markets moved up again. And we come to this point when this bar, this green bar, made that tick, brought that line down, but never went under here. Say we bought on this red bar that closed, that will be nice, nice right away move up. That will be long buy here. Very just a 3-4 ticks stop, and there we go. Even over here, let's take a look. Once did it break? Never went above this one, but however this line, this bar again made just a thick and broad step up. But this, like I said, this can be easily fixed, just a little bit bigger number. Okay, so once we see that market is running from there, possible that it's coming out, however it's confirming over here, we would look for, once market is here, we're looking for our breakdown, which is confirmed with this here, with this bar close. Now we'll just look for our important highs. We know already the market is breaking down. It will be here, never happened. Market went above middle line. It will be right there. Market came to about 2/3 and then pulled back. So never went long. We know it's a short. We knew it's short over here. We knew short here. Until we'll just go take our rectangle with us. As the market goes, this is absolutely great for the slower markets. There's that bar confirming long. Now all we're gonna go and look for shorts. So right here, never was a good area around here to buy, went long, and so on. Once they went long, we will look over here. There's that area is broken. We know it's short. From here, any sell over here would be great until they did this. So we would be here. We know once that's broken, that's a long. We'll move right here, and it's gonna be long until this bar would be broken or a breakdown. That means we need to move here and so on. Alright, very easy, very simple. If you get too much choppiness, like I said, this can be changed. So let's just put 33, and then we have less choppiness, done with 29. Let's just say we even can afford a little bit more market to move. Let's just put 50, and there's less. However, our stops, our moves are gonna be a little bit bigger. So that depends again on the style of the trading, and as you can see, it's a bigger movement in the markets, it's allowed. Alright, so that would be on this chart. Let's take a look on another chart, which is NQ, which would be same system. We will look same direction like CL, and as you can see over here, because of NQ, how much it's moving, we can get some choppiness with NQ. So maybe the best way over here is just instead of 19, you have just maybe 80, because NQ needs to be allowed for some movement. Same would be same, needs to find out which bar moved this line and closed, and then we will just put under for look for the stops, and so on. Right here, over here I have a EMA 8, but that's not necessary. So you can see over here, from here it was long, nothing but long, with the bigger settings at the middle line. Okay, let's take a look also on minute chart. I have a EMA 8 with a 2-minute chart. So if 8 is above red line, it's a long. If it's under, it's a short. But we can also take that rectangle and then draw and see which bar brought down, which doesn't have to be closed, just where it breaks. So we'll just take this example here, and now we know once that happened, we got to look for up there, and if we can buy somewhere in this zone for short, it would be great, or just wait, or wait for the 8 to cross above and then start looking for the long, maybe buying on the middle line or under the middle line, like close of this red bar, middle line just was even, there was a pullback but then went down, there was a good sell over here, 8 stayed under. Alright, same system, very easy here on the 2-minute chart. We're seeing steps down, market goes down, once it turned around we got the 8 above and the market start going long. This would be long over here. The settings are on the 2-minute chart, outside size 100, inside size 0, vertical shift 1, and that's for NQ. If it was CL, 1 would be 0.01 because of the pricing. Alright, so very simple. Steps up, markets are long, steps down, markets are short. So we're looking at the price action. This is like a nice signal above red zone, white is 8 is above red line, we got the green, red, green above this red. It's a real nice signal to go along in case you did it. So any pullback under the middle line, it's a good buy until 8 comes under the red line or it makes a step down. Very easy, simple ways to find market direction and important high and lows. So please like this video, dislike, share, comment. If you like the 1007 indicators, the link is under. And look for the best trader in yourself. Alright, I'll talk to you in another video. Thank you for spending time with me in this video.